Anhar Gupta with a review of CR Droid ROM by Siddesh K15. This is the latest ROM for Eureka till now. Its name is CR Droid. It's Android Marshmallow 6.0.1. You can see here Android 6.0.1 CR Droid. I am running it on Eureka Plus. You can see here. A pretty new features are being introduced in this ROM, like this new launcher which has an inbuilt search bar. In addition to this, you can edit this launcher with rotation settings and other settings. Coming back to the features with which we will get in CR Droid are these extra features, extra settings like screen animation, toast animations. You can change the choice. You can choose the toast icon if you want. Here you can edit the recent panel you can show in the search bar. You can show in a clear all recent button. You can have a change the location of clear all location. You can add a RAM bar. Actually, these are all features available on Gravity Box, but it is now included inbuilt. In addition to this, you can add traffic, network traffic with all these settings. As you can see, you can click on auto hide, threshold, other features. You can change the units. Further, the best feature that is introduced in this ROM is Omni Switch, which I have activated now. You can see enabled. Here this is Omni Switch. It's basically a pretty good recent panel. You can switch in apps here. You can go to previous screen. You can slide it on any screen. No need to press those buttons. The battery backup on stock kernel was good, but the heating was as in CM13. You can see here the temperature of this went to 90 degrees while restoring apps. So I had to switch to other kernels, like Velocity kernel gave a very good performance with this. Now I am testing lightning features introduced in this ROM, like you can change the battery icon, you can change the notification light LED, this LED light notification. You can customize the colors of this light. You can change the LCD density. You can change the font size. Expanded desktop has been added in this ROM inbuilt. Features of CM13 are here also. You can modify the status bar also, like in CM12 and other things. You can change the clock style. You can add a AM/PM location. You can change the battery icon. You can change it. You can change the text notification. You can enable the quick pull down. You can enable a brightness control, as you can see. Google Now on tab works flawlessly. You can see here. This ROM is very smooth compared to the CM13 ROM. For me, everyone has their own views. For me, it's smoother, but few features like quick unlock and other features are to be added. This ROMs come with a CM theme engine. The sound notifications are really nice. A premium quality sounds are added in this. Further, I will be looking for other features in this ROM also. You can see the average memory usage after installing all my apps that are necessary to me. The first boot free RAM was much higher. You can see this was 723 MB RAM was consumed. Thank you for watching this video.